Your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you have error on your iPhone, support Apple.com iPhone restore. So how you can fix this problem? So for fixing it, just try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because in iPhone X or iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, you need to tap on one combination of buttons. You need to press one combination of buttons, and on another models of iPhone you need to press another combination of buttons. So you need to check it in the Google, find in the Google how you can make force restart on your special model of iPhone. And after, you can try to update your iOS. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general you need to open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.